What if I told you that somewhere deep inside the rainforests of Southeast Asia, a snake can launch itself from the top of a tree and fly straight toward you? No wings, no feathers, no parachute, just pure physics and millions of years of evolution. Today, you're not watching this creature. You are the flying snake. Every jump could mean dinner. Or becoming someone else's. Welcome to your new life. Chapter 1: Your first day. The world feels enormous. Sunlight barely reaches the forest floor, and that's probably a good thing, because down there, danger waits around every corner. You emerge from your egg already knowing one thing. Stay in the trees. Nobody teaches you how to survive. There's no parent waiting with food. No family reunion. Just instinct. Your tiny body clings to rough bark while warm tropical air flows through the canopy. Then hunger arrives. And hunger doesn't wait. The only way to eat is to move. Chapter 2: The Impossible Jump. Ahead of you is another tree. Too far to crawl. Too dangerous to climb down. There's only one option. Jump. Your heart races. You launch into empty air. For one terrifying moment. You're falling. Then something incredible happens. Your ribs spread outward. Your body flattens into an aerodynamic ribbon. Instead of dropping like a rock, you begin gliding. Tiny movements ripple through your body as you steer through the air. Left. Right. Slightly upward. Every motion changes your direction. You're not flying. You're controlling your fall.
Please subscribe DIZMO.